morning. So let me discuss a very important adjustment in final account. That's what bad debts adjustment. Now what's the meaning of bad debts? Bad means what? Bad means what? In accounting terms, bad means what? The bad debts means what? The customer who is not paying money to the firm. Okay, that's what the bad debts. The customer who is not paying his dues. Okay, that's what the bad debts. So it's a loss to the business. Bad debts is not always a loss to the business. So in bad debts, there are 4 types of bad debts. That's what in short. Don't get into the detailed manner. In future lecture, I will discuss in a detailed manner to sum up the formulas and to analyze the bad debts adjustment, to process the bad debts adjustment. This is the very easiest and simplest form. So listen carefully. So there are 4 types of bad debts. N O N O. This is the type which I teach in my class. N O no. Then B D R D. So N means what? New. N means what? New. O means what? Old. Here also N means what? New. O means what? Old. Okay. So now new means what? New. N means what? New. Old. O means what? Old. So old. So the old comes in the trial balance. The new bad debts comes in the adjustment. So first NBD comes in the adjustment. First NBD comes in the adjustment in the way of amount. And second N comes in the adjustment in the way of percentage. Okay. And first O comes in the trial balance, debit side, and second O comes in the trial balance, credit side. Okay. So this is the way it will be given in the sum. So this is very, very important adjustment. Without this adjustment board paper, without this adjustment final account never comes. Okay. So N means what? New. O means what? Old. N means what? New. O means what? Old. So both the N comes in the adjustment, both the O comes in the trial balance. First N comes in the adjustment in the way of amount. For second N comes in the adjustment in the way of percentage. First O comes in the trial balance debit side. Second O comes in the trial balance credit side. N means what? New bad debts. O means what? Old bad debts. New reserve for doubtful debts. Old reserve for doubtful debts. Okay. So everything is what? Everything is what? Loss to the business. Everything is what? Loss to the business. Okay. So we have to deduct it from the debtors. As you people know, adjustment has got 2 effect. Adjustment has got 2 effect. Okay. So this both the N is what? The adjustment. Both the N is what? Adjustment. So this N will have 2 effect, not this O. The O comes in the trial balance. Trial balance all items always have a 1 effect only. So this N will have 2 effect. Okay. What all that 2 effect? So we have to go to the asset side. Go to the asset. Where we have to record the debtors amount. Then we have to deduct the first NBD. NBD we have to deduct it. Then what all amount coming, we have to deduct NRDD also. NRDD will be in the percentage way. That means what? It is shown in the adjustment in the percentage form. So we have to take out, suppose NRDD is 2%, we have to take out the 2% from this amount, and we have to deduct it from this same amount. Okay. So this is the process. Now this N will have 2 effect, not this O. O is what? The trial balance item. N is what? The adjustment item. So N will have 2 effect. O will have only 1 effect. Okay. The second effect goes to the profit and loss debit side, where we have to record all these 4 items. That's what the NO, BD, RDD. Okay. So then record the amount. All 4 amount we have to record it. Okay. Then one formula comes plus. Last amount is what? Minus. If your amount is what? In positive figure, we have to record in the trading account. Profit and loss account debit side. If your amount is in negative figure, we have to record in profit and loss account credit side. Positive figure means what? Trading of, sorry, profit and loss account debit side. Negative figure means what? Profit and loss account credit side. So this is what the four types of bad debts we have to record in the final account. This is what very important adjustment. Without this adjustment, final account never comes in the paper. Thanks.